Hi, I'm Leah Turner.
And I'm Colleen Dieter. We're celebrating the kickoff of the Central Texas Seed Library by showing you how to harvest wildflower seeds.
I brought some bluebonnet seeds. I harvested these from a wildflower meadow that I started a few years ago.
Why did you decide to harvest these bluebonnet seeds?
Some of them I let them just drop where they are so that they will come up next year, but I really wanted to start another wildflower area in another spot, so I harvested some and brought them.
How do you know when the seeds are ready to harvest?
When the whole plant is brown and dead looking like this, that is the best time when all the seed pods are very dry.
So what happens if you collect them too early?
Well, if the seed pods are not brown, if they're actually green, they can get moldy.
So what's the next step for saving them?
You can take this seed pod and open it up.
Oh, wow.
And they really just pop out.
I have my little box that I keep them in the refrigerator.
Ah.
So this box is relatively well sealed, so it doesn't get wet inside. I'll put them in envelopes and then put the envelopes in this little box and put it in the crisper in my fridge.
And what other kind of seeds did you bring, Colleen?
I brought seeds from the great yellow mullein. This stalk will have flowers all up and down it, and so when the flowers kind of stop blooming, you'll see these little capsules along the stem. And so all you have to do is like kind of shake them and you can see all the little seeds falling out. I wanted to be able to save the seeds because they're sort of hard to find, and I wanted to be able to share them with other folks through the Central Texas Seed Library. Then I brought some common sunflower seeds. They just kind of came up in my yard. I harvested these because every year I like to have a different annual plant in my butterfly garden in the front yard. And again, I didn't want these to reseed so much that I'd have a ton of sunflowers next year. Next year I'd like to do something different like cosmos or zinnias or something like that. So that's why I went ahead and harvested them, and that way I can save them in the next few years. I might want sunflowers again, and I can also share them with folks through the Central Texas Seed Library. It's important to harvest the seeds when it's nice and dry outside, so try not to harvest them when it's dewy or really humid outside because they need to stay dry. You just look for the dried seed heads and just kind of start pulling them apart, and the seeds are sort of embedded in there. If we can do it, so can you.